are getting ready to pull into Juneau, the capital of Alaska. That's right. Juneau, the capital of Alaska is Juneau. Juneau. But we are going to get ourselves ready and then probably grab some lunch before we head out. We don't pull in until 1:45 and it's only 11:30, so we've got some time still pulling through the Strait of Thomas Federico or something. Those are three very different names.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Oh, look at the colors of the trees.
Look at that. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. And this is just from our balcony. Very, very, very cool. Oh, that's what we're doing, Kira. See? It's right there. Wow.
Well, this is super, super cute. Like, very picturesque little seaside city. But this is the capital city of Alaska. It's kind of crazy that this is the capital city. So we're going to jump on the tram and go up to the top of the mountain. And probably just see a whole bunch of clouds. It looks like it's going to be much of a view. Because it's very, very cloudy and rainy. But it should be quite an adventure. Take a look.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So our tram excursion was canceled because it's too windy. High winds, so we're gonna walk downtown and check things out. This place looks cute. This place is pretty popular. The Alaska Shirt Company. That place is packed, but because it's the end of the season, they've got a lot of stuff on sale. Howdy. Get some good stuff. Did you get that sweatshirt? That was great. And 2 t-shirts? Cool. Yeah. Oh, very cool. I like that shirt a lot.
I was like, we should get one for Dada, but I don't think
Yeah, they didn't have anything in my size.
t-shirts.
All they had was like smalls, a few mediums, and extra larges.
And that's what I got.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Isn't it cute?
Yeah. Very cool.
We got, what, 5 things? 5 shirts with gummy bears for $60.
Yeah, super cheap. Very you. Very cool.
There were a bunch of jackets I was thinking of getting, and then I don't know. Oh, look at the whale tails. Wow, that's a giant. Pretty.
Look at the cheese.
I know.
How
It's a little much, yeah?
I don't think it would be very comfortable.
Yeah. They already put all their gems away. Tortuga pineapple rum cake. That's weird. Excedrin.
Should I buy it?
Yeah. Look,
Oh, that's cute.
I think I might get it. Oh, very cool. Yeah.
I am evil. Get up and go if I knew.
Yep. I like that one.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
That's with all the rest of ours.
I know.
Except it has a palm tree.
This has a dolphin.
Yeah, and a turtle. So maybe not.
Okay.
They're so, yeah. That's a humpback, right?
Yep.
That's a cool bag.
Oh, yeah.
That's a very you shirt.
I don't know if I'd ever wear it, though.
Super, super, super soft.
Yeah. Oh, did you find another ornament?
Yeah. Much better.
Oh, very cool.
Oh, that's cool. Yes, much more.
Yeah, it doesn't have palm trees and dolphins and... That would be hilarious, though, if you put that on and people be like, oh, look, it's a... Wait a minute. Oh, another Alaska Shirt Company store.
I'm 17.
Looks like Stormy. In a raincoat.
This building is historic. Seems like it didn't say anything, but it looks pretty old and historic, and it's called the Senate Building, so maybe like this was the old Capitol building? Maybe? I don't know, there's no information that I found around here. Let's head down the road.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
Oh yeah. A little disappointing that we weren't able to do our tram ride, but we got to walk around and do some shopping. Yeah, which we probably would have done up there too.
Yep.
Juneau's probably the cutest little capital city I've ever been to.
It's very tiny.
It is. You didn't even really make it down to the downtown though, where the McDonald's is.
It's in the airport.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and where I'll go in life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no one in life holding me back no more.
Well, we had a very nice day walking around in Juneau, did some shopping since we couldn't do the tram trip, and walked downtown, bought a whole bunch of stuff. Jody got a sweatshirt and a couple of t-shirts, and Jackson got a t-shirt or a sweatshirt or something. I got a pin and a sticker and a card. We got some sculpture stuff. Really nice, really neat downtown. But now we're back. Everybody's gotten all their wet weather gear off, and we're gonna go relax a little bit. We're gonna go see if we can maybe get something for our tickets for the tram since it got canceled. And then Kira's got a manicure appointment at 6, so she's gonna do that. And I think we're gonna see if we can find a spot in the observation lounge and maybe get a drink and have a snack and relax. And then we don't have any plans for tonight. We're planning on going to the buffet for dinner because it's going to be the seafood, and we're looking forward to that. But that's it for our day in Juneau. Super cute, and probably the nicest little capital city I've ever been to.
Way back a year ago. Back a year ago.